Welcome guys, today I am with the OPPO Enco X and I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem. So as you can see, my earbuds are in the pairing mode, the indicator is blinking. When I'm gonna refer to the list, they are not right here, so I'm unable to connect them, as you can see. And how to fix them? That's very simple. At the first, I can recommend you to close this case. Another tip, just power off your Bluetooth and also be sure that you also turn off location. After that, you have to open case of your OPPO Enco X, then click and hold this button until this indicator start blinking. So click and hold it right now, take a look on the indicator. As you can see, it's blinking, so right now we can release. Put it right here, then enable Bluetooth on your Android smartphone or Apple smartphone. Right now the OPPO Enco X appears on the list, so tap on them once and accept the pairing request. And as you can see, that's how you can fix connection problem with your OPPO Enco X and other devices. So this method works in my case and I hope that it will also work in your. So let me know in the comment if you find this video helpful. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.